Hello everyone, welcome back to Planks Enterprise. Today we're just in the shop. It's pretty sunny out. It's a little too hot for me to chainsaw some logs. So I'm going to teach you guys how to sharpen chains. I think I've got about 8 chains here of my 12 that I have that need to be sharpened. So normally I sharpen my chains at 15 degrees here. Today we're going to try 25. From what I've been looking up, a lot of the bigger chains around my area use 25 degrees. I have an Oregon chainsaw sharpener. It only goes one way. You can't adjust it. It's always angled like this. You just adjust the chain back and forth this way. Okay. First I go down, see how much I'm taking off. Because a lot of these chains are different. I sharpen them either once or twice or never. They just come factory sharp. So after twice of sharpening them, they get thrown away because they're not much use after that. First one. So with this being only one-sided, you can do every other. And I can tell when I go all the way around that I've hit it when it doesn't have as much spark as the other ones. My depth for this to come down is already set as well, so I don't have to adjust that. heat up. And this is the one that I started on. Okay, now we flip it around to the other side to 25. We go one more tooth. This side. And we do the other side going back. started. And just like that, one chain is done. I'm going to do all the rest of these off camera. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. We will be cutting more logs. And we got a couple deliveries to make as well.